How to fix Hogwarts Legacy black screen on launch issue on Windows. Here are some methods that may help fix Hogwarts Legacy black screen on launch issue on Windows. 1. Exit the game and reboot your PC. 2. Update your GPU. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Lower the in-game graphics accordingly. Hints: 1. Decrease all visual settings. 2. Disable other graphical features, example bloom and water reflection. 4. Turn off all the background tasks with Task Manager. 5. Enable VSync in. Hogwarts Legacy in-game settings. 6. Repair the game files via Steam Agent. 7. Uninstall, reinstall, and then re-update Hogwarts Legacy.